What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I know many of you are being asked a question whenever you want to buy the car parts for your vehicle, and that is, do you have the VIN number? Can you do the VIN number lookup? Please give the VIN number for fitment checking. So, in today's video, let's talk about everything about the VIN number. I will go through the most asked questions about VIN number for car and also the handy tips for you to look up your VIN. With that being said, let's get started. Question number 1. What is a VIN number? VIN is the abbreviation of Vehicle Identification Number. A vehicle identification number is a unique code distributed to every motor vehicle when it's manufactured. VIN engine code can help you confirm the fitment, and you can also find the Autoparts by VIN number. VINs are usually printed in a single line, and it is created by 70 characters, letters, and numbers without intervening spaces or the letters Q, I, and O. But why did VIN had to omit these letters? It is because to omit confusion with the numbers 0 and 1. Each part of the VIN formulates a concrete pieces of the information about the vehicle, including the country, year, and factory of manufacture, so you can check your car's specifics by VIN. Example, the citizens in Florida is familiar with the importance to check VIN number in Florida. They understand how to look up the vehicle information on the website, especially when they want to buy the second-hand car. Here, you can see the search website I just talked about, and I will put the link in the description. A local office will use this number for vehicles registration and recording the car's history. You can find out all the data about its past history with the help of this online check VIN number Florida system. So you can check VIN number DMV or check VIN number for records, especially good to help you whenever you buy a used car. Question number 2. When did the VIN can be used to? The most important function is that VIN number will help a car buyer or owner to know whether a particular vehicle has been stolen, found, damaged, or been in an accident. Here are another 6 functions of VIN number. Number 1. Track records. Number 2. Registrations. Number 3. Warranty claims. Number 4. Confirm the fitment. Number 5. Find the accurate auto parts. Number 6. Theft and insurance coverage. Next, let's see the question number 3. Why a VIN check is important when purchasing a second-hand car. This is the only thing that will get you the best deal and ensure that the car in question fits all your requirements. The car's history provides you with detailed information about the car, like how did the previous owners of the car use the car. Question number 4. Where can I check engine size by VIN number 3? Leave comments below if you need a check VIN number for free. Our team will do the free VIN lookup for you. Question number 5. Can I know who is the owner of this by checking the VIN? Yes, but only in the sense that the owner's name is attached to the vehicle identification number on the vehicle title, state vehicle registration, loans or lease, and for warranty purpose. If you are able to track a VIN for any of those purposes, the owner's name should be linked to it. That's why when you contact a manufacturer for a warranty claim, for example, you will be asked for the VIN for your vehicle and who you are, so they know you are the legal owner. Next, let's see the question number 6. Can I know the vehicle's history by checking the VIN? Yes, with the VIN in hand, you are able to get the vehicle's history by visiting a number of dedicated websites such as Carfax, CarProof, or leave comment below. We can help you to get free engine number check and engine lookup by VIN. Question number 7. How much did the VIN history report cost? The cost for the detailed vehicle history report runs between $35 and $45 and may be well worth the investment. It will potentially tell you the number of owners that the car has had and how long it has been registered. If you are lucky, it may even indicate the mileage that it had at the time of the last transaction. Question number 8. Can I get the manufacturer date from my VIN number? You can't, unfortunately. The VIN of a vehicle can only tell a person in what sequence the vehicle was manufactured, not when the vehicle was actually built. Question number 9. Can I determine the transmission type from my VIN? We can explain that position 4 to 8 of the VIN are encoded with a number of valuable vehicle details, including the engine, body type, drive type, and retrain system. Unfortunately, this is not required by the NHTSA VIN standard. Some OEMs still use the same 10-digit VIN patterns for automatic and manual transmission vehicles, meaning that VIN alone will not be enough to determine the vehicle's transmission type. Next, let's see the question number 10. What is the meaning of car VIN number? Does each number have a specific meaning? Yes, and let's see the first character. It means the country where the vehicle was built. Second characters is meaning the manufacturer. Character number 3 is meaning the vehicle type or division. Character number 4 to 8 tell us if you are asking how to find engine size, how to tell engine size from VIN, or how to find engine size by VIN. Here is the answer. The 4th to 8th characters are meaning the vehicle's brand body types, engine size, models, series, and even can know how many cylinders is my car by VIN. But if you are asking how to check rotor size by VIN number, I have to say it can't do only by VIN number. It needs to use VIN number to find out the OEM parts numbers. Then you will know the rotor size. The 9th character is meaning the security check digit. 10th character is meaning the model year of the car. The 11th character is meaning which plant assembled the vehicle. The last 6 characters is meaning the vehicle's production number, serial number of the vehicle. Next, let's see the question 11. How important is the VIN? There are situations in which you will want to check a vehicle's VIN, since many data registries use it to record details of the vehicle's history. You can find out if the manufacturer had ever issued a record of the vehicle and whether those repairs were made. Also, if you are interested in buying a used car, you can do a VIN lookup to get the vehicle's history report and find records of its previous owners, accidents, and repairs. You can also find out if the manufacturer had ever issued a record of the vehicle and whether those repairs were made. Finally, law enforcement agencies do a VIN check also to identify vehicles that have been stolen. Question 12. Where can I find my car's engine VIN number? Here is probably the most important part in this article, and I got some tips for you to help you check out the VIN number of the most passenger cars. Method number 1. Check VIN on the front of the dashboard on the driver's side. The best way to see it is to look through the windshield from outside the car and look at the corner of the dashboard where it meets the windshield. Number 2. Check the sticker near the door jamb at driver's side to find the VIN number. Open the door and look around the area where the door jamb to the car. If you didn't find the VIN number there, open the driver's side door and look at the door post that the door latches when it is closed. Sometimes it is likely that the VIN also will be displayed in this location. If you still can't find the VIN number by the waist on the top, try the waist below. It will be a little bit troublesome, but you can find the VIN there for sure. Check the footwell of the front seat, or either the driver's side or passenger side. Check the build plate, or you can check the boot or the trunk area. Or you can check the engine compartment. Maybe you can also check the user manual, or check the chassis area for the stamped VIN plate. Last, you can check the VIN number on the insurance card. Alright my friend, about the VIN checking, I'm wondering how do you find your VIN number? Please leave comments below to let us know what's your experience about looking up the VIN. As always, I appreciate all of you watching, and I wish you all the best with you and your family, and I will see you very soon next week. Adios.